Here I have CAT S42, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings. Then you have to go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot, and here you can switch a hotspot. Here you can display the QR code to connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its name. Here you can select its security protocol. Here you can change your password. In the advanced, you can also set your hotspot to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. And you can change your AP band here. And you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.